Maybe the reason why you're not getting it yet is because you don't want it bad enough. There's a difference between wanting something and wanting it so bad that you would do every decent, fair, and moral way to get there. Iba kasi yung epekto kapag ka proactive ka sa pag-achieve ng dream mo and you want it that much. No? When it's coupled with faith and, works na pagpupursige. Kasi sometimes when you just want something, but you're not proactive in achieving it, you're not dropping all your inhibitions, your ego, your pride, alam mo yon, lahat ng yun nakakahadlang eh. And it's gonna take a while for you to get there, for you to get what you want. And sometimes, nakaka-contribute din yung hindi buo yung loob mo kung gusto mo ba talaga tong bagay na to. And, when I see people doing everything because they want something so bad, makikita mo talaga, it makes achieving their dreams, alam mo yun, na mas speedy, mas mabilis. And meron din naman yung biblical principle kasi ang sabi ng Lord, when you humble yourself, He will raise you up. Sometimes, it only means that when you're dropping everything na maaring makahadlang, lalo na yung ego, yung mga inhibitions mo, God will help you get to that point na gusto mo. So, it's not bad to want things that much. As long as you're doing it in the moral, decent, and fair way. So, ayun lang. If you like my content, please hit follow or subscribe. Ako po si El Takashi. God bless po.